FinTech AI. FinTech AI. Beginner level. Introduction. FinTech AI. Financial technology plus artificial intelligence. Refers to using AI to improve financial services and digital financial systems. FinTech includes modern financial platforms such as digital banking, online payments, investment platforms, cryptocurrency systems, insurance technology, InsurTech. AI makes FinTech systems smarter, faster, more secure, highly personalized. Examples of FinTech AI include fraud detection systems, robo-advisors, automated investment tools, credit scoring models, chatbots for financial support, algorithmic trading. This topic helps beginners understand how AI is transforming the financial technology industry. What is FinTech AI? FinTech AI is the use of artificial intelligence in financial technology systems. In simple words, FinTech AI equals using smart technology to manage money and financial services digitally. A beginner-level system includes payment processing, fraud detection, investment recommendations, customer support, risk analysis. Why FinTech AI is important. Modern financial systems require fast transactions, high security, personalized services, automation. AI helps by checkmark detecting fraud instantly, checkmark automating financial decisions, checkmark improving customer experience, checkmark reducing operational costs, checkmark handling large financial data. Key features of FinTech AI. Feature purpose. Fraud detection identify suspicious activities. Robo-advisors provide investment advice. Credit scoring evaluate loan eligibility. Chatbots assist customers. Algorithmic trading automate trading decisions. Example FinTech data. AI systems use financial data like FinTech_data equals transaction 2,500 user_balance 10,000 risk_level medium investment_type stocks closing curly bracket simple fraud detection example amount equals 2500 if amount greater than 2,000 print check transaction for fraud else print transaction safe. How FinTech AI works. Step 1. Collect financial data. AI collects transactions, user profiles, market data, investment history. Example, transactions equals 200, balance equals 1500. Step 2. Analyze patterns. AI identifies patterns in financial behavior. Example, if transactions greater than 100, print high activity detected. Step 3. Detect risks or opportunities. AI flags risks or suggests actions. Example, if amount greater than 2,000, print possible fraud risk. Step 4. Automate decisions. AI can approve loans, block transactions, recommend investments. Example, credit_score equals 700. If credit_score greater than 650, print loan approved. And fraud detection. Transaction equals 5000. If transaction greater than 3000, print fraud alert. And robo-advisors. Provides automated investment advice. Balance equals 2000. If balance greater than 10,000, print invest in diversified portfolio. In credit scoring. Credit_score equals 720. If credit_score greater than 650, print eligible for loan. In algorithmic trading. Automates trading decisions. Market_trend equals up. If market_trend equals up, print buy stocks. In chatbots. Query equals check balance. If balance in query, print Your balance is $5,000. Full menu-based FinTech AI system. Python. Def fraud _ detection. Amount equals int. Input. Transaction amount. Quote. If amount greater than 3,000. Print. Fraud alert. Else. Print. Transaction safe. Def robo-advisor. Balance equals int. Input. Enter balance. Quote. If balance greater than 10,000. Print. Invest in portfolio. Else. Print. Save more funds. Def credit _ scoring. Score equals int. Input. Credit score. Quote. If score greater than 650. Print. Loan approved. Else. Print. Loan rejected. Def trading. Trend equals input. Market trend. Up down. Quote. If trend equals up. Print. Buy stocks. Else. Print. Sell stocks. While true. Print. N1. Fraud detection. Print. 2. Robo-advisor. Print. 3. Credit scoring. Print. 4. Trading. Print. 5. Exit. Choice equals input. Enter choice. Quote. If choice equals 1. Fraud _ detection. If choice equals 2. Robo-advisor. If choice equals 3. Credit _ scoring. If choice equals 4. Trading. If choice equals 5. Break. Else. Print. Invalid option. Concepts learned from FinTech AI. Checkmark financial data analysis. Checkmark risk detection. Checkmark automation. Checkmark investment decision systems. Checkmark security systems. Real-life analogy. FinTech AI is like a smart financial advisor and security guard combined who monitors your transactions, protects against fraud, suggests investments, helps manage money, automates financial decisions. Ways to improve this project. You can enhance this project by adding machine learning models, real-time data processing, API integration, payment gateways, blockchain simulation, portfolio management system, mobile app UI. Common mistakes beginners make. Crossmark ignoring security. Crossmark using simple rules instead of data patterns. Crossmark not handling edge cases. Crossmark oversimplifying financial systems. Crossmark ignoring scalability. Where FinTech AI is used. FinTech AI is used in digital banking, payment apps, investment platforms, cryptocurrency systems, insurance systems. Advanced systems include robo-advisors, automated trading systems, fraud detection engines, AI-powered financial analytics. Simple definition. FinTech AI. The use of artificial intelligence in financial technology to improve digital financial services. Final summary. FinTech AI is a powerful application of AI in finance. It helps beginners learn. Checkmark financial automation. Checkmark fraud detection. Checkmark investment systems. Checkmark data-driven decisions. It plays a key role in modern digital finance and banking systems.